Hi, hello. This is Mr. Currency. Very happy to see you on another live video of profit of 9,000 rupees. This is pre-market analyzing. There is yesterday market will be closed around 81.72. So today we'll check whether market will go in a high trend or downtrend. So you can go and check it in the money control in the global market. So global market you go to see there is a US market will be on a downside, bearish side. So I overall conclusion will be come out. The market will be today open on downside only. So once it is open downside, there is an important level of 82.63. That is the important level. So this level it will be maintained. Then I don't go for that. Below of this level I'll take this my sole position, and then my target is 82.56. So this is important level. So this is in between I'll go to the trading. So today I got a conclusion. Today I'm sure I'm going to be only selling side, not in the buyer side. So this is kind of information pre-market analyzing you have to know, and I already inform you there is a this kind of information I'll update you regularly. So after market opening, I'll update my side. That's is maintaining below 82.63. So I'm waiting for 5 minutes and also it is confirmation below. It is maintaining 82.63. So then I'll take my position of sold. Then I'll come out exactly. I'll come out 82.56 because I already inform you know that is the important level of 86.50. 82.56. Though see very clearly the buyers are very aggressive on that level, then market get reversal. So this kind of information you should know every trade, and you have to know when you have to book your profit. So sometimes that new trader or novice trader, what they are doing that the market will be go downside only. So we can take the we can retain the position. Then you are the more chances for losing the profit, and moreover it is hit your stop loss also. That's why I tell you that's a pivot point give you the clarity of where is the important levels which you have, which you can book your profit, or which you can exit in a small stop loss, small loss. So this is my another ID. I show you that is a 9 o'clock. It will be open below that 92.682. Then I'll try to take, but I don't want to take because I have to wait for another 5 minutes candle, which is confirmed below. It is maintaining below 82.63. Then 9.7 9 o'clock 7 minutes I'll take my position of 82.59, and then exactly I'll close it where I have to come out 56. Then my profit of 9,000 rupees. This small profit only, but you have to know where the market will be get reversal. So then only you can come out with the good profit on every day. You can make a profit of every day. So this kind of information I'll inform you very clearly, and I'll next video try to upload it, what is my technique of trading. So please follow my channel. I'll update you in uh, a technique of intraday trading. So it's very simple and easy to make money in currency. Thank you. Please follow my channel.